Welcome back, fam. Happy to see you on the Ethereum charts again. Today we are looking in the daily, monthly and weekly and giving you a full breakdown on the charts with a simple technical analysis of what's going on. So let's begin. First of all, I want to say that my site that I'm doing my analysis on is not updating last 2-3 days. I don't know why, but it doesn't matter because of the weekly and monthly nothing changed. We are still using the same candles. But since the price is at the whereabouts of 2200 at the moment of recording this video, I decided to make a video nonetheless. So what is happening? We had a big fall and found a clear support on my band. Is this bullish? Yes, it is. Because what's happening here in this week also happened here, here and here. And here we even had, well, let's say, reverse situation because the blue one was above the yellow one. This is simple moving average. This is exponential moving average of 21 days. My bad. Ooh, I love it. So at the moment of recording this video, we are finding support still above this band. So we should expect a continuation in Ethereum and higher prices. And I would say at this moment, worst case scenario for Ethereum would be this line of resistance, previous resistance that could become a support. I'm talking about $2,100, so the region that could give us a reasonable support if we decide to go into this area. Is something like this in the cards? Yes, it is. Nothing is compromising our uptrend. At least looking at the chart like this, from the beginning of October, we are in a secured uptrend. So, as you can see, nothing is broken. But as I said, since I'm not seeing the last 2-3 candles on the daily, maybe we should get some moves and maybe it's time Ethereum starts to move. So for now, Ethereum is able to continue to the upside in the short term. But let's look at the weekly and continue this narrative. There we go, fam. Weekly chart with ingrained band of 21 weeks. What do you see? A huge move from October into December. We are in a clear uptrend that is not showing signs of stopping. To be fair, this candle formation could be to some extent concerning because we are kind of looking into engulfing the green candle and that is the signs of bearishness. But still, I would not call the end. First of all, the week hasn't closed. Secondly, it would be too bold for me to say Ethereum is done. But you know what I respect the most? My band of 21 weeks. We are above the band, clearly. And saying that, of course, now it's reasonable to say that we can retrace into the band of $1,919. And as the band moves forwards, we are getting higher prices. So, $2,000 Ethereum, let's put it like this, or below $2,000 Ethereum is still not giving us headaches. You can see here, in this area, it was a great resistance, but as we broke it, maybe the healthiest move would be now to retrace into the area and then continue to the upside. I know my conclusions are simple, but that's the way TA should be. There is really nothing to philosophically talk about in this chart. A retracement into the area of $2,000 would be perfectly normal and healthy, and if we get that, but no one knows, nothing will change. Ethereum will remain bullish and we are far above this band, so never expect nothing else from it. This jaws in my band when the yellow is above the blue is just signaling that we have a high momentum at this moment and that we should not expect some big bearish moves in the coming weeks. It's up to you, will you believe me or not? Simple. I must say that at these moments it's far more dangerous to be out of Ethereum than in Ethereum. Because when you're expecting lower prices in the entire 2023, people were expecting sub $1,000 value of Ethereum. As you can see, it is not coming. And now, by the time pass, I think it will never come. If sub $1,000 Ethereum should happen, it would have already happened. So, bears, I am sorry, but you will not get yours. You can get the throwback at this moment to $2,000, but unfortunately, weekly chart is not showing you much more than that. And as we talk in that simple manner, let's not forget what happened here. We broke the downtrend that was going on all the way from April. Look at those points of resistance. Look at how fiercely Ethereum tried to broke in summer of this year, but no, got thrown to the downside. Here in October things change for definitely. And there is some slight chance that we broke this 1900, that we go retest that line. But that chance is so slim that I wouldn't even talk about it. What I do like regarding this volume is that volume is rising, the price is rising, an excellent sign. So, perfect scenario, retracement into the $2,000 area and continuing to the upside. That would be, in my opinion, the healthiest move Ethereum can make at this moment, if you are a bull. Alright fam, daily is bullish, weekly is bullish, what about monthly? For those of you that don't have time to watch this analysis till the end, and there are many, I suppose this is a bullish looking chart with possible retracement. But can you see the conclusion? Daily, weekly, monthly, bullish, bullish, bullish. Okay, we're done. Why it is bullish? First of all, we are having a nice lump of volume. So it is to be expected more upside in the coming months. Secondly, I talked about it in my previous video on Ethereum if you haven't checked it out. We are above the band that is currently standing below $1,900, 1880. So can we retrace into this area? We absolutely can at this moment. And you know the worst case scenario, 1700, where is the lower band, the moving average of this band. Of course, this is 21 months if you haven't figured it out by now. So Ethereum could still retrace and be on a hard trajectory to the upside. But do not neglect one big thing on this chart, besides that we are having perfect alignment of yellow and the blue, and that is that we passed a big support that was resistance. What am I talking about? Just below $2,000 there is a high resistance area. And again, you can see that we are constantly in this video talking about the sub $2,000 levels, because those are high levels of support. Just see what was happening here. So many months, 1, 2, 3, 4, in the 5th we gave up was our resistance. That now I don't see any other narrative than it to become our support. Oh yeah, I won't neglect this point of resistance. But this was so early that it wasn't even possible to be broken. So, people, Ethereum is bullish. Why should we talk about anything else when this is a bullish looking chart? Oh, one more thing before you click off. In October we had this perfect alignment of the bands when the yellow is above the blue. Okay, can you spot it? Yes, you can. It's a huge importance. When was the last time this happened? Right here in the first month of 2020. Of course, after that occurrence we had a big crash of Ethereum, the March of 2020. Very soon we had what you've been waiting for, an exactly miraculous bull run of Ethereum that led us to sub $5,000 area. We are at this point, ladies and gentlemen. Can you see what I'm talking about? This occurrence that we are living in right now is the beginning of 2020. Look at the band that was many months, yellow but the blue that was bullish many months. We are starting that story. If you are still on the sidelines of Ethereum, okay, you can have some pullbacks. It's true. But are you really gonna risk the majestic bull run just for the few bucks? It's up to you. NFA, not for financial advice. 2024 will be the year of the bull run. I'm expecting even 2025, but that's a long-fetched story. For now, start being a schmuck waiting for below $1,000 area. Markets will not give you what you want. It will crush you and make the smart investor a rich one. As the dinosaur once said,